Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so first I will show you here. So in my case you can see the left one is working and the right one is not. And what you will have to do, you will have to remove these two Phillips screws to remove the housing. So one here and one on the opposite side. And you have to be careful. Now in my case these screws are pretty much rusted out, so remove them carefully so don't strip the head of the screw. If you do that, then you have to drill it out or something. So yeah, because lots of water and debris gets into this area, and with time these screws just rust. So make sure once you remove them to replace them with new ones. This is the other one. I was lucky enough to be able to unscrew those. You can see how they look, right? Completely rusted. Okay, now once you have the screws out, you can gently, I'll try to show you, gently pry this thing out, you see, to get to the bulb. Okay, and here's the bulb. And make sure to clean all these connectors using electrical contact cleaner, and yeah, replace the bulb and install it back the same way. That's pretty much it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.